In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I have already opened Google on my MacBook, then have a search bar, then type CapCut PC, then click enter. This is the CapCut official website. Then here I go, download for free. Just I need to click on here. Then it's automatically downloading. Then I need to just open this file, again double click, then CapCut downloader. Okay, open. It's already processing. I need to wait few minutes for 100% done. Once it's completed download, just I will remove everything, then open CapCut. Then I agree and continue terms and condition. Wow, it's already working as well. Now I am fully ready for use this CapCut on my MacBook. That's it. This is a method how you can download CapCut on PC. Thanks for watching. See you again.